Hello, hello. Welcome to Let's Cook That Book. I'm Andi Lew, certified food, lifestyle and wellness coach and best-selling author. Today, I'm going to help you cook up a flirty frittata. I'm super excited about the utensils that I'm using today. This is a chemical-free, non-stick ceramic fry pan. It's so important. As a health and wellness expert, I'm very careful about what I put in my body and also what I cook my food with. The first thing we want to do is use some olive oil. Now let's add some Spanish onion or purple onion to the fry pan. We don't fry it up too much because we're going to cook this frittata in the pan with the lid on. And so this becomes the bottom of the actual meal. The same principle goes with what's going to sit on the rest of the bottom of this meal, and that is a white potato. Now, we're cutting it up into fine slices like this. And then we're going to layer it across the bottom of the pan. You can hear the onions sizzling and they smell amazing in that olive oil. The other thing we're going to layer this with, because it's layers upon layers, is our zucchini. You can even use an aubergine or an eggplant. And now let's layer the zucchini in the same fashion. So think of this as a meditative type of thing to do, just like the Japanese might have, raked the sand, and it was very good for their wellness as well. And next, let's add some tomatoes for antioxidants and colour. Make sure you cut them in half. And I've already whisked up some eggs, 6 to 8, maybe 10. It's up to you. It depends how big your pan is, but maybe 6 to 8 is probably the best. Once again, it doesn't really matter. You might like a really high frittata. Now we're going to add some olives, which is such a great source of good fats from a plant, and what a beautiful salty flavour. Speaking of salt, this is when we add the quality salt, unprocessed stuff. So because it's good for us, don't go shy on the salt. You can use a lot of this. Wow. And I always save the greens till last. You can use kale or spinach, put them on top, and then we're going to put the lid on. And that will wilt the greens, so we don't need to overcook these or anything. Put the lid on the pan, and I love a pan that has a glass lid, and watch it cook. Our one pan flirty frittata is done. Wow. Because it's a non-stick pan, check this out. I can literally lift the whole frittata out in one piece. I'm in love with this pan. Yum! And as you can see, the edges are nice and crisp and burnt. Let's cut a slice. Just like a pizza, but better. That is my flirty frittata, found in #InstaLovers. I hope you enjoy.